Hey, travel pros. Did you know that B2C companies that blogged 11 times or more got 4 times as many leads as those that publish only 4 or 5 posts a month? And that comes from HubSpot. I've gotten so many questions from travel pros asking what to write about. Before that blank page starts staring at you, let's explore some exciting topics that'll have you writing like a pro. 1. I'll bet you've learned some hidden gems of travel tips during your career, right? Well, each one of them is perfect for a blog post. 2. What's the last destination or ship you visited? How about writing your next couple of blog posts about them and write them on your flight back home? It's easy. 3. Did you love the last webinar you attended? How about writing a post about 3 key points you learned? 4. Is your favorite BDM a wealth of knowledge? I bet that BDM would love to be interviewed by you. The information will be perfect in a blog post. Voila! Now you have a whole collection of blog topics and ideas. Go ahead and embrace your inner Hemingway and you'll be on the road to more leads and potential new clients. Happy marketing!